y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl alysiachristiana, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by that thumbnail and that title, your girl will be reinstalling this wig, giving y'all this look and how I achieved it. If y'all want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned for the video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all, this wig is also an Amazon wig, and it is linked inside my storefront. I will put that link below if y'all want to purchase it. I really like it for what it's doing. I've had this wig for like I could say almost a year, and y'all, it has never failed me. But anyways, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look on my hair, stay tuned. First, y'all, I start with some wild growth hair oil because you're gonna need to grease that scalp while I was about to under this cap. Then y'all, I'm going in with some Gots to Be glue. Yes, that's like the gel for it, and then I'm just slicking that back so I can get them edges gone. And then I'm also going with some Gots to Be spray as well to slick everything back. Y'all, please don't talk about my 3-week-old braids. Yeah, I know they look real rough. Probably like I ain't got no braids in my head. But listen, one thing about two things for sure, baby. They gonna last because I braided them braids good. But yes, y'all, I'm just brushing everything back and then just making sure you have that good, solid, sleek foundation before you put that cap on.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss.
Okay, y'all, I look very much crazy. But anyway, I got my bold hope glue. Now I'm just going along, following my hairline, y'all, to go ahead and lay this cap down. Once the glue dries, then I'm going to go ahead and get my eyebrow razor and cut out the excess cap.
When you cheat, when I lose one thing. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day.
Now y'all here, I have a foundation that I actually use on my face, and I am going in to put some color on that cap so therefore it will match my skin.
Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the.
Then y'all here, I got 70%, but really I be using 90%. But anyways, that's all I had at the time. So I'm just getting that, putting that on a rag and wiping off that excess glue, anything that does not need to be there that can interfere with how I'm about to melt this lace, okay?
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm just going in with my glue, just tracing that outline of that cap and putting it where I want the wig to exactly lay. Y'all, I do this process 3 times. I put the glue down, let it dry, put the glue down, let it dry. And y'all, once, of course, you put the glue down, you got to smear it down. Yeah, and then you want to let it dry as close to clear as you can. I had a few white specks in there, but baby, it did not interfere with this install, because one thing about 2 things for sure, as y'all seen in the beginning, the install ate. Okay, now y'all, I am just taking that hot comb. Yes, your girl got the hot comb that your grandma used to put to your head and burn your scalp and in your ears and stuff. But I get that and I just pull all the hair that's close to the lace. I just slick that all back. And it makes it easier for me when it's time for me to actually lay the lace down with the glue because the hair is not in the way.
Tell me that I had seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo.
Okay, y'all, so now this is the time, the moment of truth. So y'all, I go ahead now and put that lace basically where I put that glue. Once I do that, I then get my comb and I like run through the wig at the top where the glue is with the comb, and I put pressure towards it. So it's like the glue and the lace is melting together in a sense. So yes, y'all are going to see me do that all over. Y'all will also see me cut some of the lace off towards, like, I think it's like not this section but the next section. Y'all going to see me cut some of the lace off. So therefore, I don't have too much lace because I did pluck it some more. I think I kind of overplucked it, so I had to like cut the lace off from where I overplucked it. But anyways, y'all, once I get done smearing the lace in with the glue, I am going to put that band on. If y'all don't have a band, an elastic band, please get y'all one, because baby, when I tell you, it's gonna hurt, but it's gonna lay that wig down. Look at me, it's gonna lay that thing down, okay, baby? I kept mine on for 15 minutes. You can keep it on longer, but 15 minutes work for me.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh, you're trying to leave.
Okay, y'all, so here's the part I'm like, ooh, baby, we got extra lace that we gotta cut off. So, y'all, I'm gonna end up getting my eyebrow razor and just cut the extra lace off, because what's not needed don't need to be there. So we just about to remove it real quick. Then, y'all, I went ahead and pulled some of my edges out and went ahead, cut them and curled them so I could go ahead and lay them down. Y'all, I'm so sorry I did not record that part. I'm definitely gonna have to do another video of me recording. But basically what I do is just get the flat iron and curl it upwards and get some mousse, because I don't like the hard edges, and I just move like in a circular, like a C motion, and lay the baby hair down. And sometimes I will put the Gots to Be spray on the ends of it, or a little bit of gel, just so therefore it could hold versus coming up. But once I get done laying my edges down, then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm also going to put that band back on, so therefore the edges can lay down. Okay, y'all, now I'm going in with my wax stick and then my hot comb to just make that foundation at the top very flat as it can be. Y'all, I didn't know what I was doing with my hair. I just know I was gonna do some type of ponytail or something, but it actually came out cute, and I was very surprised because this was like my first time actually doing my hair, like a style to my hair. Most of the time I do like a side part or a middle part, as y'all can tell, because that middle part is stuck there, baby, up and it's stuck. Then, y'all, here I'm just basically going in, molding my little ponytail, because I'm like, ooh, this gonna give the girls what they need to get. Then I grab my rubber band, and your girl is about to put that ponytail up. And y'all, with that, y'all, I feel like this is a little struggle, but it wasn't a struggle, because I'm like, child, it's about to get done. But y'all went ahead and again put that rubber band on, ponytail in the tail, because y'all know it's giving what it's supposed to. Yeah.
Just be cautious about it.
And as y'all see, I'm taking a little piece from the ponytail and just wrapping that around, so the girls is not giving a rubber band. You know what I'm saying? Not giving a rubber band, because I ain't the rubber band man. Yeah, I'm so slow, but anyways. Yep, so I'm doing that, and once it comes to the end, I'm going to get me some spray. I almost said Bobby spray. Like, girl, that's not even a thing. Get me some Gots to Be spray and blow dry that to make sure everything is laid. Then, y'all, I realized that I didn't put enough on there, and I didn't feel like fighting with it, so I ended up going back in later that ended up within seconds and putting in a bobby pin. I don't know if I filmed that part, but yeah. So, y'all, I'm taking that band off that done gave me the headache of everything. I'm going back in and I'm fixing my edges where it needs to be fixed. And, y'all, I took a little bit of black dye because, y'all, I swear I overplucked this wig on some parts. So I'm taking a little bit of black dye to correct those spots that need to be corrected, like on the side where my sideburns are. And then I put a little bit at the top where you can kind of see too much lace to kind of correct that, y'all. Nothing is wrong with the wig if you overplucked it, or if it's old and you trying to finesse it. You gotta have ways around it, because baby, one thing about it and two things for sure: don't throw it away until you have got your use out of it. Then I'm going in, y'all, with foundation, just going in, putting in on some parts of the hair that needs it, Spraying that got to be sprayed to make sure that ponytail is there. Blow drying that down, baby, because we don't need no flyaways nowhere, baby. We need you to stay up there and stay right, stay tight, okay? Stay right and stay tight. It's giving the girls very much, yeah. Then, y'all, I'm about to go in and go ahead and give y'all the wet look, okay? About to give the girls the wet look. Went in with some mousse first, and then I went in with water because mousse and water is just the perfect combo key. If y'all see that lace in the back, don't worry about it. Mind your business. I'm just playing. I honestly be forgetting to cut that piece off of the wig. Clearly, I've had it for over a year, and I still have not cut it. I don't know. But, y'all, I went ahead and I cut that lace off, child. I don't know why I kept it on there for the longest. And I went ahead also and got that clip, both of the clips on both sides, and just attached it to the wig to make it hold a little better for my head. Okay, y'all, this was the final look, baby. This look was giving tea. I know y'all see that clip in the back of my head. Please don't mind it. I did clip it up after this video. If y'all stayed this long to watch me install, I thank y'all so much. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here and if you're not, welcome back, love. I have more hair content coming. I have more content coming, so just make sure y'all stay tuned. See y'all next time.